Hi everyone, and welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I am done with work right now, so I'm in between. I have like 45 minutes or so, maybe, before I have to start tutoring another child. So I need to get dinner going. So I have one of the easiest ways to make chicken parmesan. So I need to get started. Do you want to see how I do it? So while I'm getting this apron on, I found this recipe a few years ago off Pinterest, and it was kind of like those ones where I'm like, is that even possible? Because those ingredients I'm not quite sure about. And sure enough, I've tried it a few times and it's great. It's easy. So all I'm doing is taking that 9x13 pan, putting a little oil and a little seasonings, and I'll show you what I'm doing. The recipe card will be at the end of the video, so you could take a screenshot of it or write it down. It's super easy, and you'll see me build it. Let's go. To my pan, I am just going to do a couple of tablespoons of oil. Of course, olive oil is best, but it's on my grocery list to schedule to get it. And I'm just going to kind of spread that around. It's going to make it so it's going to cook the chicken and also make it so it doesn't stick to the pan. So that, and to that, I'm going to add some garlic, just a couple of cloves. So the recipe, I believe, calls for 2. So I sometimes can do more, sometimes I'll do less. So spread that into the oil. And also I thought, which was a great, something different, is some red pepper flakes. So I don't have like a big thing of red pepper flakes because we just don't eat it enough. So if I need it, I will go get it or I'll borrow. So just a little. It's going to add a little bit of heat. See, I didn't even use that whole packet. So now I'm just going to put all of my chicken in here. So anywhere between 4 and 8 chicken breasts, whatever will fit in here nicely. I have smaller ones in a bag that's kind of thinly sliced, so to say. Not like the Costco ones. That's what I should be saying. And so I'm going to get those in here and you'll see it. So what I've done now, see, I filled it all as much as I could. I think I finished the whole bag. It was probably like 2 pounds. And so I'm just going to hit it with a tiny bit of salt. Although you probably don't need it as much depending on your sauce that you're using. So you're going to be putting 2 cups of your favorite sauce. So I'm going to be trying some homemade sauces hopefully in the next couple weeks and trying to see if I love it. I think I have some new recipes, so I wanted to try those out. But it's about 2/3 of this. So the last third, I think what I'll do is just make some pasta and add a little bit to it, because I have a feeling Ezra, the little guy, he's a little on the picky side, right? That's how like toddlers are. Okay, he's not really a toddler, he's 5, but you know, he's the youngest, right? Let me get a spoon and kind of smear that around. And it's suggested to put basil on top, and I don't have fresh basil, so I'm just going to add just a little bit of dry basil. So I'm just going to kind of carefully just put a little, only because there's already a lot of seasonings in the sauce, but just a little bit, that's great. And then you're going to use half of the cheeses. So this is mozzarella. I might have put in a little tiny bit of Monterey Jack just because I had it and I wanted to use it because I don't want anything to go bad, just a tiny bit. So you're going to use half of this and then half of your Parmesan. So it's like 2 ounces of Parmesan. I'm just going to put like a little handful. So, and then here's the secret weapon, or so, the secret ingredient, croutons. So this is the funniest part because I'm like, how is that going to work? So you just put them on top. And I tell you, it works. So just kind of push it into the sauce. They will soften up because of the sauce and all the cooking and stuff. And so that, then you'll just put on top of that is the rest of the cheese. You'll cook that at about, I believe it's 350 for about 35 minutes. And it's delicious. So I'm just going to top this off with some more Parmesan and get this in the oven. So this is my version of how we do chicken parmesan when I want to do it fast. Chicken parmesan bake, right? So this is ready to go. I can't wait. Like, my mouth is already watering. How funny, right? This is super yummy already. I can smell it. It's all my favorite flavors put into one, because I love croutons. So that's it. It's ready to go. See? Totally fast, right? I'm just about to put the bake into the oven, but I wanted to tell you some really good news. I am working on my first giveaway for you guys. I'm super excited. So I need for everybody to, if you want to be a part of the giveaway or have a chance, is to follow me on Instagram at How Ines Rolls, because that is where I'll be announcing my winners. And you see, I said winners. I'm working on it too. So, okay, so I know I was going to have the Sunday roast coming up as my next video. So I hope that this is okay. My next video will be the Sunday roast. So this is kind of a special announcement that I just wanted to plug, that I'll be giving away, I'm not sure yet, so I'm working on it. But follow me on Instagram and more details are coming. So I need to get that in the oven and it's gonna be great. I just pulled this out of the oven. Oh, it is smelling so good in my kitchen right now. And I can't wait to cut it or cut into it. But I probably should let it rest for a few minutes before I do that. So I'll be plating up in a few minutes and then you'll get to see what the boys think. Go ahead, Daisy. What do you think? You like that? He likes just the spaghetti. It's hot, huh? Mm-hmm. Is that good? Mm-hmm. I gave you a big piece, huh? Mm-hmm. So this is just the crouton on top of there. It's just like, it tastes just like chicken parm. And it's, my Gabber, so cute. All right, we're super excited. I can't wait to have my own slice. So it's got lots of crunch on top from the croutons. And I just can't wait. So I just have it with a little bit of French bread. But if this is something that you think you'll try, give it a thumbs up and let me know. Or if there's something that you have that's a kind of like a easy go-to Italian. In fact, as our Jonas just said, that it was probably one of his favorite Italian meals, which it has croutons on it. Come on. So, and then I'm sure in the future I'll be showing you how I really make chicken parmesan. But for now, this is our chicken parm bake, and I really hope you like it. Have a good day and stick around. You never know what I'll be rolling out next.